Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to be addressing the issue of either the left or right AirPod not working when listening to music or videos on your iPhone device. So this is an issue that I came across myself a couple of weeks ago, and this is an error message that you may be receiving. However, there are a few really good tips and tricks that you can try to get either the left or right AirPod to work again. So the very first thing that I recommend you to try is to actually go ahead and clean the charging port and also the AirPods as well, as sometimes if either the connectors or the charging port actually get dirty, then this will result in one of the AirPods not being able to connect or being flat or just simply not being able to play music. So what you want to do is just go ahead, take the AirPods out of the case, and then you want to go ahead and either get a piece of tissue or ideally a Q-tip, and then you just want to go ahead and thoroughly get into the charging port and just scrape out any dirt or dust or any grease that may have been building up over time. And again, you just want to do this for a couple of minutes and just get any dirt out there that may have been built up. And also you want to go ahead and actually get the AirPods, and at the base you see that this is metallic and this allows them to charge. So you just want to go ahead and clean any dirt or grime or grease that may have been building up on the connectors. And again, I'll do the same for this one. So once I've gone ahead and done this, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and put them into the case. So this should now allow me to hopefully go ahead and listen to music and sound on both the AirPods. Okay guys, so the next thing I recommend you to try is to actually go ahead and charge your AirPods, especially if they are below 30%. So I have found once they do fall below 30% and especially below 20, there are actually a couple of issues that arise when connecting to the iPhone device, as if they are on low power, then they do have a bit of trouble connecting both AirPods to the iPhone or iPad device, and this will cause either the left or the right AirPod to not connect. So if your AirPods are on somewhat low power, I would recommend just to go charge them for around 15 to 20 minutes and then go ahead and try to reconnect them to the iPhone device again. So if that is still not working for you, the next thing I recommend you to do is to go ahead and reset your AirPods. So this is very easily done by pressing the back button on the AirPods, and this will work for AirPods 1, 2, and also AirPods Pro as well. So you just want to go ahead and press and hold this for around 30 to 45 seconds until the amber light flashes, and that just notifies us that our AirPods are now reset. So I can go ahead and just press and hold this button. And as you can see, while I do that, the light is flashing on and off in white. And as soon as it goes amber, that will just let me know that they have reset. So I'll just wait for this for a couple of moments. And it should be coming up. And there we go. The light has now flashed amber. So now I can go ahead and reconnect my AirPods to my iPhone or iDevice. So now I can go ahead and connect. And this will just take a couple of moments. And there we have it. The AirPods are now connected to the iPhone. So this should hopefully remove any temporary glitches or bugs that your AirPods may be encountering. And as an additional step to this, there actually has been a lot of success for AirPod users to actually go ahead and try this method maybe 3 to 5 times. And for some reason, I'm not sure what it is, but when you kind of disconnect and reconnect and just repeat this process, this will allow it to work again. So you can actually go into settings and then go to Bluetooth, and once the AirPods are connected, you can press on the I, go to disconnect, or you can go to forget this device. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do both. So I'm going to go to disconnect, and then I'm going to go to forget this device. And now once I've done that, I can then again go ahead and reconnect the AirPods, and then I can go ahead and press the button on the back, and those will go ahead and connect. Again, I just want to go ahead and retry this a couple of times. So if this is still not working for you guys, the last thing I recommend you to do is to actually go ahead and restart your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook computer. So for the iPhones, if you have the iPhone 6 or below, you can restart your device by pressing the home screen and the lock button together for around 30 seconds. And if you have the iPhone 7, you can press the volume down and the lock screen button again for around 30 seconds together until the iPhone restarts. And if you have the iPhone 8 or above, you can restart by quickly pressing the volume up, down, and then the lock screen button. And again, you want to press this for around 30 seconds until the device restarts. So once the device restarts, you want to go ahead and reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone. And this should hopefully remove any temporary glitches or bugs, as it actually may be a hardware issue on the iPhone itself. So this is quite rare, but sometimes it is worth restarting just in case. And this should hopefully remove any glitches. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video has allowed you to either get your left or right AirPod back working again. If any of these fixes or solutions did work for you, please share your solutions down below in the comment sections, as you'll be helping thousands or hundreds of other iPhone users out there. So again, hopefully this video was helpful for you, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.